Hi, folks. Grego here. You might have seen the previous episodes where there was a search for the rare and elusive orange Kit Kat in Japan. That was caused by Reverend Amagon, also known as Tasty Cake, here on YouTube, the host and founder of Spill the Geek Tea. He had actually challenged me to find an orange Kit Kat in Japan. And that actually turned out to be quite the hunt. They may be so called only available in Japan, but they're not easy to find in Japan. You have to go to a larger city. So check out the shorts right here on this channel, The Hunt for the Elusive Kit Kat, and have fun along with me with those hundreds of convenience stores and locations that I visited just looking for rare Kit Kats. Now, along that journey, I did find more rare Kit Kats. Now, Japan has had about 300 of them, where here in the US, we don't get that kind of variety. Okay. I am not going to try to explain why, but just accept it. In Japan, there are huge amounts of varieties of Kit Kats, and that's due to differences in consumer patterns and marketing by Nestle. One of them I did find was the Tokyo banana, which you would have seen in the previous video. These are absolutely awesome. But let's take a look at a different one here. Mount Fuji. Now, we stayed for a whole week at Fuji Yoshida City in Mount Fuji. In fact, I'm a co host on Spill the Geek Tea, and one of those episodes was recorded from Mount Fuji where I was freezing my ass off on top of a hotel on the roof with Mount Fuji in the background. It was a real background. Now, this one right here, this is the brand new Mount Fuji Kit Kat for Japan. Now, it had been released last year as strawberry cheesecake. This year, it is blueberry cheesecake. And this was purchased in Japan before we came back to San Francisco on Zip Air, where I was able to find the rare Tokyo banana gift box as previously seen. So let's slice this thing open here. All right. How do you open this? Looks like it's from the side. Okay. Oh, and there they are. There they are, right there. That's it. The Japan only Mount Fuji Kit Kat blueberry cheesecake. So let's see what this one tastes like. Okay, it's white. So it looks like white chocolate, which, by the way, white chocolate is not chocolate. True. Google that. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Variegated colors. Looks like Mount Fuji. So, do I break this in half or do I eat both pieces at the same time? Let's break it in half because there's nothing more satisfying than breaking a Kit Kat in half, right? Okay, here we go. The Mount Fuji Kit Kat. Oh my God, I can already smell blueberry big time. Blueberry cheesecake. Does it deliver? Let's see. Yes, that is insane. That is absolutely ridiculous. Why, my fellow Americans, why can't we be more demanding of better quality snacks and better variety? Oh my God. Yes, Nestle delivers on this Mount Fuji blueberry cheesecake KitKats. These rock. Thank you to everyone for watching my weird snack food updates. These were inspired by Reverend Amagon, also known as Tasty Cake. Check out the Tasty Cake channel. I'll put a link right here below. That's a channel I started watching. Reverend Amagon is from the Legend of the Traveling TARDIS. He has his own channel where he started reviewing snack foods. And I started watching those and I thought, hey, that's cool. Maybe I should review snack foods myself. And then he also started a brand new variety show called Spill the Geek Tea. And I'm a co host on there. And there's a link to that down below as well. That comes out every week on Mondays. And it's about to be live streaming here soon in America. So pay attention to those channels. Check them out below. I would suggest subscribing to them for more fun. And thank you very much to everyone that has been watching my videos from Japan right here on the timescales, especially to all of you new Japanese subscribers. The people that have been watching all of the shorts and reposting them, enjoying the hunt for the elusive orange Kit Kat. It's been fun meeting all of you on YouTube in Japan. I had no idea YouTube was this large in Japan, but apparently it is. So thank you to all the new subscribers. And you know what? I've got to try another one of these. These are so good. My God. Blueberry cheesecake Kit Kat. I mean, they're just beautiful. They're beautiful to look at, but the taste. Mm, that is insanely good. Nestle, why can't us Americans have these? Can anyone at Nestle answer that? Thanks everyone for watching, and peace out from San Francisco. See you next time.